Hi there and welcome to the game. That is PGA Tour 2K23. Wishing you nothing but the best out on the course. And let's get things going. Let's have a good drive here. We have a par 4 first hole. Just pop this one out there into the short stuff and then we'll mosey on from there. Okay, this is about 155 yards to the pin. Okay, we're on the green. And if this drops, you'll get your birdie here. It's getting there. And we are getting off on the right foot here today, starting off under par. I love it. Teeing her up here on the second. Let's get a little kick left here. And second shot here on the second hole. Nice chip, fantastic. Here we go. Let's save par on this one. And you are 1 under after that one. And the wind's a little blustery. It's blowing right to left on this one. Unlucky. Setting up here in the deep stuff. Okay, there we go. And from 27 feet out. Just a little too much pace on that one. Here we go. Let's drop this and get your par. Going towards that hole. And in the cup for the par. Okay, after that one, you'll stick right there at 1 under. Great swing. Here's your second shot on the 4th. This is our third shot. After that little outing, we're back on the fairway. Good stuff. Setting up here for your fourth shot. Ooh, nice little chip on that one. Okay, just a few more inches to go. And now let's head over to the next and check the scorecard. And currently 1 under for the day. And let's let this fly here on the 5th. And this is right on the border. I'm not sure if it's going to be rough or fairway. We're in the big, thick, deep rough here. Setting up for our third shot. Coming through with the chip. And the only thing left to do is sink this putt and get your par. And after that one, you'll stay right there at 1 under par. And on this one, the wind is picked up. It's going left to right. This one's going right. Well, it looks like you're a bit off on that approach. Okay, second shot on the 6th. Setting up here now for our third shot. This one's just 3 feet. This one's tracking. Up to even par for you now. And here we go, par 4 in front of us. Okay, here's our second shot here on the 7th hole. And this putt would take you down to 1 under. Oh. And for the par. Okay, now let's have a check-in on our scorecard. Teeing up here on the 8th hole. Swinging like silk. And hitting into an elevated green on this one. Look at you go. Next putt for Eagle. We've got a 17-foot putt on this one. Oh, it's getting there. Oh, there it is. That's your Eagle. And after that hole, you'll bring your score down to 2 under. Stepping onto a par 4 hole on this one. Great swing on that one. And this one's about 190 or so to the pin. And the approach heading to the left. Well, unfortunate. That's going to get counted as a missed green. Fingers crossed for a nice up and down out of this greenside bunker. Okay, we're out of that bunker. A little bit of work left to do, but no worries. Here we go, par putt. Ooh, just missed. This one is a short 3-foot putt. Okay, let's head to the next. And after that one, you sit at 1 under par. And this one is a par 3. That sounded good. Way to go out there, looking good. Good luck here, 9 feet away. Well, it's heading towards the hole. No, that was tough. It's a little bit too hard on that one. I believe this is for your par. And after that one, you currently sit at 1 under par. And we got a left to right cross breeze on this hole. Oh, effortlessly done. Nice swing. And this one's about 210 yards or so from the pin. Yeah, nice work. That's a good little approach shot. Sink this and you're down to 2 under. It could be a good one. Ah, man. Okay, here's a par putt. Let's see what happens here on the 12th hole. Going a bit left of the pin. Well, we missed the green, but that's all right. Life does go on. Okay, and this one to save the hole. That's gonna do just nicely. All right, you're gonna stick right there at 1 under after that one. Beauty of a swing there. And this is about 165 yards out. Safe approach, nice. 25 feet from the cup. Oh! All right, drop this par putt. Let's do it. All right, time to check in, see what the scorecard's looking like. And you're 1 under for the day. Let's see what happens here on number 14. Yes, that's a good swing. Nicely struck. All right, here's a 7-foot putt. Ah, just right by the hole. And here we go. Par putt coming up. Okay, let's see what the next hole has in store for us. And after that one, you'll stay right there at 1 under. Here comes hole number 15. All right, looks like we got a fairway coming here. And from here, it's about 250 yards out. Okay, here's our third shot. Ooh, look at here. Nice chip. All right, 3 feet to the cup. Okay, let's see what we can do on the next hole. And after that, you're 2 under. Here's a par 5. Let's see what you can do with it. And hopefully this one's nice and safe in the fairway. Okay, second shot here on the 16th. This one's your third. Well, that'll work for you. Sink this and you can get down to 3 under par. Let's keep her going. That's 2 birdies in a row. Let's have a third. And teeing up now on the 17th. Nice little draw onto this one. All right, good luck. Second shot here on the 17th. This one's 8 feet away. Oh. All right, this one for par. So far, so good. And that was a good putt. And 3 under par for the day. Heads up, wind's going right to left on this one. Yikes. All right, good luck with your second shot here on the 18th hole. I'm okay with that. Best of luck on this one. We've got a lot of real estate to cover here. No, that's going right by the hole, isn't it? Okay, this one is for the par. And ending your round with a par putt. Well done. And you managed to get out of this one at 3 under par. Well, might as well get on my way here. I had fun with you today. Hopefully we'll see you real soon.